Hi, I want to make a video about this Range Rover. It's 2018 with the 5.0 PS engine. Some time ago, the belt snapped, and the remnants of the belt were never found. It ripped through the timing case cover, and the timing case cover was replaced. Some of the particles, some of the fragments of the belt were recovered. Some we are not seen. At that point there was nothing that can be done, and new belt, new timing case cover, and a host of other things were replaced. And a few months down the line, this is what happened. uh, Unfortunately, part of the belt escaped, through, and got clogged, clogged the strainer. That is the oil strainer. We just took out some of the particles from here. Now if you look at the oil pan, you will see some of the fragments of the belt. You can see them here, right? And you can see grindings, metallic, filings here. The engine actually froze up, and we had to open up the engine. So for any reason whatsoever, if the belt on a vehicle actually snapped and you can't find it, please take this advice. Take the engine out completely, have it disassembled. I can guarantee you that you'll find some of the fragments right inside the engine. Now, as it is now, this crankshaft have to be replaced. It's just like doing an engine job right now. So from snapping, belt snapping, I've got a problem where you just have to do an engine. So sad indeed. But I think for technicians, this is just a reminder that anytime you have a snap belt on the vehicle, no matter how hard the customer try to convince you to just replace the belt alone, do not hit to it or don't do the job, okay? Because it may end up, something similar to this. I just think that I should update you as a technician, and this is our everyday job, and this is what we see all the time. Thank you very much.